All right, breaking news coming in at this hour. A third flight carrying the Indian deputies from the United States has landed in Amritsar with 112 individuals on board. This latest arrival follows two previous flights, with the most recent one landing on Saturday night carrying over 100 deputies. So this is the third flight that is carrying the Indian deputies from the United States, which has landed in Amritsar. And my colleague Gurpreet Singh Chinna, who's at the Amritsar airport at the moment, gets us the latest. Gurpreet, what is the latest details that you can give us?
Well, a few minutes back, we have seen that third plane has already been landed at Amritsar Airport. We are at Amritsar Airport, and I'll request my Vijay to show all these visuals from the ground, what is happening at this point of time. We have seen huge security had been deployed, and parents and the relatives of these deportees, they have already reached at this airport. What we learned from inside the sources, around 112 deportees has been in this plane, and this is the third plane which has been sent by the US government here, and we have seen at Amritsar airport, this is the third plane which has already been landed here. What we have learned from inside the sources, they say around 33 a person who belongs to Gujarat, and of 44 people who are from Haryana, and 31 people are from Punjab, and remaining people are from Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh also. So now at this point of time, we have seen there is a huge political war which is going on. Why this airport has been chosen by the authorities, under what criteria this has been decided that all the planes will be landed at the Amritsar airport. And we have seen the Punjab Chief Minister has already put a question mark on landing of this plane at Amritsar. He says it seems that they are trying to defame Punjab. If we can talk about BJP, they are saying that we should investigate how these people are illegally being taken to US and who are the travel agents, and there should be action against them. So this is the third plane which has already been landed here, and what we have learned from inside sources, they say it will take some more time for the further proceeding, because the proper immigration check will be continuing there, and after that they are going to inquire each and everything before they will be allowed to leave from this airport. Back to studio.